channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button, become friends, and turn on your notifications. And if you're returning, thank you so much for joining me for another video. Today I have an unboxing for you. It is my PR box. It is gifted to me every month by BoxyCharm. And we're gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna show you what I got and what I have on and all that fun stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. BoxyCharm for February 2023 is Treat Your Heart Out. Now that's super cute. And you know what I was expecting when I saw this card? There to be product information and prices and a variation number, but that is not what's on it. Are we going to be like Ipsy now, not give us much information? I mean, I don't know. All right, so let me share with you what I have. This here is a repeat item for me. It is, hang on. The Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff, Anti-Dark Circle Serum. Here it is here. I do have one of these. I don't think I've ever used it. I will use serums at nighttime sometimes, but being that I have larger pores, sometimes oils will accentuate them. So it's not like something I would use during the day. I don't have a value for it, but I will find out and put it on the screen for you. And let's move on. Next thing is by a good brand, Gold Faden MD. And then it says on here, problem uneven skin tone. Hello. That is so me. All right, so it says Solution Vital Boost, Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer, Vitamin D, Hyaluronic Acid, and Gooseberry. What's a gooseberry? I feel like, well, no, why would I know that? What is gooseberry? I knew that name somewhere. That is the name of the paint in my living room, but I don't know it as far as skincare goes. So yeah, I don't know. It says hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. All right, so I'm excited to try that. Then moving on, we have by Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Magnets. So this here is a mascara, as if you haven't guessed, Karen. That's what it looks like. Okay, look at this wand. This wand is super cool, but this is a super light formula. It didn't give me the lengthening that some mascaras do. It was just kind of like, okay, coat your lashes, you can see it. It did, however, with this wand, separate very well, and I'll include a video clip in here for you. I don't have a value, but being that it's Benefit, it's probably like $30 or something. Am I wowed by this? No, definitely not. Will I use it? Sure. Will I buy it? No, probably not. Okay, moving on. We have Give Them a Lala Beauty. This is, oh, that's funny. Shade names. Booty Call. It's a liquid lipstick. Okay, so I did try it and it washed me out completely because I do not have a tan. This is the color here. Let me do a swatch real quick for you so you can see. It dries down and it seems like it stays put. It really didn't smudge too much, but it's very drying. So it's something that I went ahead and put Too Faced Metallic over it, and it looks better. I mean, I think it looks better. So yeah, don't have a value. Like I said, I'll try and put them on the screen. Then we have an eyeshadow palette, and y'all know how I love to get eyeshadow palettes. This here is by Beauty Bakery. It says the proof is in the pudding. Okay, let me show you what she looks like. There are 9 shadows in here, and I do like that there's like the bigger pans. And these here are pretty. I will include a clip of me trying this out. This is what's on my eyes. They blended really well. I didn't do a whole building up. Being that I'm really pale, I don't put on as much makeup because you can see every little thing. And I just like to go lightly. Now, like I said, I didn't have any problems with this. This definitely blended really well. There's a combination of mattes and shimmers. I'll try and do a few swatches for you and include that in this video. And if you've got any questions, let me know. So that's everything. Let me recap. We got the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, which I love getting eyeshadow palettes. That's always a bonus for me. I'm more likely to like your box if you give me an eyeshadow palette, you know? That's just how it is. The liquid lip, the moisturizer, the brightening serum, and the mascara. Overall, not a bad box, but I do want to know what you think down in the comments below. Also, let me know, do you like it when these videos are under 5 minutes? Because I've been trying to do that because I know you guys are busy. You want to see what's in the box, but you want to go about your day kind of like me. So yeah, let me know that information. Let me know if you have broken up with BoxyCharm, Ipsy, or if you are getting the Ipsy Bailey Sarian Glam Egg X. These are the things that are on my mind right now. So let's talk down in the comments, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.